Ultralight Aviation offers an affordable and thrilling entry into the world of flight, allowing beginners to experience the joy of piloting without the high costs associated with traditional aircraft. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly way to take to the skies, or a simple, easy-to-maintain aircraft to build your confidence, there are plenty of great options available. In this guide, we've compiled the top 15 cheapest ultralight aircraft for beginners, focusing on models that deliver a balance of affordability, ease of use, and reliable performance. Whether you're interested in a ready-to-fly ultralight or a cost-effective DIY kit, these aircraft provide an accessible path to aviation, making the dream of flight more achievable than ever. Badland F1 UL. Badland F1 UL is an innovative fixed-wing ultralight aircraft engineered for both performance and affordability. Built with lightweight composite materials and a sleek aerodynamic design, this 103 compliant kit offers stable, responsive handling and an exceptional flying experience. The base kit is attractively priced at approximately $11,700, while a complete build with the renowned Rotax 9/12 engine elevates the total investment to around $31,700, with market prices ranging from $18,900 to $37,000 overall. Achieving a modest top speed of 44 miles per hour, the F1 UL is perfect for recreational pilots seeking reliability and ease of operation. Its thoughtful engineering and competitive pricing make it an outstanding entry into ultralight aviation, balancing safety, performance, and cost-effectiveness. Overall, it is a top choice for aviators. Hummel Ultracruiser. The Hummel Ultracruiser is an elegantly engineered FAR Part 103 compliant ultralight that marries simplicity with performance. Built with an all-metal airframe and a cantilever low-wing design, it offers precise handling and impressive fuel efficiency. Its power plant operates within a 28 to 45 horsepower range, propelling a gross weight of 575 pounds to a VNE of 95 miles per hour, cruising comfortably at 63 miles per hour while stalling at only 28 miles per hour. With a takeoff run of just 150 feet, a climb rate of 500 to 1,000 feet per minute, and a landing distance of 300 feet, performance is outstanding. Available as a kit for $29,000 or a ready-to-fly option at $38,000, the Ultracruiser offers value for pilots. Kolb Firefly. Kolb Firefly is an impressive single-seat ultralight aircraft from Kolb Aircraft, offering a perfect blend of performance and affordability. This fixed-wing design features a robust, fabric-covered wing and a lightweight aluminum structure, with an empty weight that meets stringent ultralight regulations. It typically cruises at around 55 miles per hour, with a stall speed of 30 miles per hour, and its takeoff run measures approximately 150 feet. Powered by a reliable 28 to 37 horsepower engine, the Firefly delivers a climb rate near 1,000 feet per minute and handles effortlessly in varied conditions. Priced at roughly $15,000, this cost-effective model is ideal for recreational pilots seeking agile, dependable performance for truly thrilling, economical adventures. Its responsive controls and handling make it a standout choice for aspiring aviators. M² Breese II. The M² Breese II is a high-wing, strut-braced ultralight aircraft tailored for pilots seeking versatility and compliance with light sport regulations. Powered by a 65 horsepower Rotax 582 engine, it boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 1,320 pounds, extendable to 1,430 pounds when equipped with floats. Pilots can choose between single surface and double surface wing configurations to suit their flight preferences. The aircraft's robust construction features a bolted aluminum tube structure with Dacron sailcloth covered wings, ensuring durability and ease of maintenance. Accepted by the FAA as a special light sport aircraft, the Breese II is suitable for rentals and flight training. Its responsive handling and adaptability make it a popular choice among ultralight aviation enthusiasts. As of 2009, the Breese II was priced at $34,995 for a ready-to-fly model. However, prices may have varied over time, and it is advisable to contact M² Aircraft directly for the most current pricing information. Jetson One. The Jetson One redefines personal flight as an innovative ultralight eVTOL aircraft engineered for enthusiasts seeking both thrill and simplicity. Built with an all-aluminum and carbon fiber space frame, this remarkable craft weighs only 86 kilograms, 190 pounds, and is powered by 8 high-performance brushless electric motors paired with high-discharge lithium-ion batteries. With a flight time of approximately 20 minutes and a top speed of 102 kilometers per hour, 63 miles per hour, the Jetson One accommodates a maximum pilot weight of 95 kilograms, 210 pounds. Safety features include a redundant propulsion system, LIDAR sensor, ballistic parachute, and auto hover functionality. Priced at $92,000, this ultralight kit offers an exhilarating, license-free flying experience, capturing the spirit of future aerial mobility and fun in every flight. Quicksilver MX II Sprint. The Quicksilver MX II Sprint stands out as a FAR 103 compliant ultralight aircraft that perfectly marries performance with simplicity. Powered by a reliable 40 horsepower Rotax 447 engine, it delivers a cruise speed of approximately 55 miles per hour, while maintaining a low stall speed near 25 miles per hour for enhanced safety. Constructed with lightweight aluminum tubing and Dacron fabric, its design ensures durability and effortless assembly. With an empty weight of just 254 pounds and a generous useful load, this nimble aircraft offers a responsive, fun flying experience ideal for recreational pilots. Priced competitively at around $25,000, the MX2 Sprint is an accessible choice for enthusiasts looking to embrace the freedom of ultralight flight without compromise on quality or performance. Fisher FP202 Koala. The Fisher FP202 Koala is a true classic among ultralights, blending vintage design with modern build techniques. Designed in the early 1980s by Mike Fisher and Wayne Eisen, the Koala boasts a nostalgic Piper Cub look while utilizing innovative geodetic wood construction. Its wingspans approximately 120 square feet, and the aircraft features a narrow fuselage that can be modified for extra comfort. With an empty weight between 254 and 300 pounds, and a gross weight around 500 pounds, it delivers a stall speed of just 26 miles per hour and a top speed near 60 miles per hour. The standard engine option is under 60 horsepower, providing a climb rate of roughly 900 feet per minute. Available as a kit, with a build time of about 500 hours, and priced affordably between $3,500 and $6,500 for used models, the FP202 Koala makes owning a piece of aviation history attainable for passionate pilots. Mosquito XE. The Mosquito XE is a high-wing, strut-braced ultralight aircraft designed for recreational flying enthusiasts. It is powered by a reliable 50 horsepower Rotax 503 engine, delivering a cruise speed of 70 miles per hour and a stall speed of 30 miles per hour. With an empty weight of 250 pounds and a maximum gross weight of 500 pounds, it offers a robust payload capacity. The aircraft features a wingspan of 28 feet and a wing area of 120 square feet, ensuring excellent lift and maneuverability. Its climb rate reaches 800 feet per minute and a range of approximately 150 miles on a full fuel tank. Priced at an attractive $32,000, the Mosquito XE delivers both performance and value for ultralight pilots, undoubtedly impressing novice pilots alike. Aero-Works Aerolite 1 or 3. The Aero-Works Aerolite 103 is a standout FAR 103, compliant ultralight aircraft renowned for its award-winning design and ease of assembly. With an empty weight of approximately 235 pounds and a maximum takeoff weight of 550 pounds, it delivers impressive performance for its category. Its 26 feet 10 inches wingspan, coupled with a wing area of 121 square feet, ensures stable, responsive handling. Powered by a Rotax 447 engine producing 40 horsepower, the Aerolite 103 cruises at about 48 knots, 55 miles per hour, with a stall speed of 23 knots, 26 miles per hour, and a never-exceed speed of 65 knots, 75 miles per hour. It climbs at roughly 1,000 feet per minute and offers a range of 120 miles. Available as a kit or fully assembled, prices start around $25,354 making it an exceptional value ultralight for both new and experienced pilots. Phantom X1. The Phantom X1 is a highly capable, modern ultralight aircraft that blends exceptional performance with innovative design. Engineered for both novice and experienced pilots, this single-seat marvel features a high-wing strut-braced configuration and a reliable pusher engine delivering 40 horsepower, Rotax 447 standard. With a wingspan of 28 feet, an empty weight of 280 pounds, and a maximum takeoff weight of 500 pounds, the X1 offers superb agility and stability. Its cruise speed of 65 miles per hour, stall speed of 30 miles per hour, and climb rate of 800 feet per minute ensure an exhilarating yet controlled flight. Priced attractively at $30,000, the Phantom X1 is an outstanding option for pilots seeking affordability without compromising quality. Its innovative design truly redefines modern ultralight flight experience. Jordan Lake Airbike 1 o'clock. The Jordan Lake Airbike 103 is an ultralight aircraft designed to meet FAR Part 103 regulations, offering aviation enthusiasts an affordable and enjoyable flying experience. With a wingspan of 26.75 feet and a length of 16 feet, it boasts an empty weight between 242 to 248 pounds, depending on options selected. The aircraft is typically powered by a 40 horsepower engine, such as the Rotax 447, delivering a cruise speed of approximately 63 miles per hour and a stall speed around 30 miles per hour. Builders can acquire the Airbike 103 as a kit, with prices starting at $6,995, or opt for comprehensive plans priced at $150. The straightforward design and detailed instructions make it an excellent project for first-time builders seeking an economical entry into ultralight aviation. Eurofly Minifox. The Eurofly Minifox is a remarkable ultralight aircraft that offers an exhilarating flying experience. With a wingspan of 8.65 meters and a length of 6.10 meters, this single-seat aircraft is designed for agility and performance. It boasts an empty weight of 116 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 230 kilograms, ensuring a substantial payload capacity. The Minifox achieves a cruise speed of 90 kilometers per hour and a maximum speed of 111 kilometers per hour, with a stall speed of 45 kilometers per hour, making it both efficient and safe for ultralight aviation enthusiasts. The aircraft is powered by engines such as the Polini Thor 303DS or the Vitarazi Kronos 300, delivering reliable performance. For those interested in acquiring this aircraft, the Minifox kit is available at approximately £19,000, offering an affordable entry into the world of ultralight aviation. Aeroprakt A22. The Aeroprakt A22 Foxbat is a versatile ultralight aircraft renowned for its exceptional visibility and performance. Featuring a high-wing design and a spacious 50-inch wide cockpit, it offers outstanding panoramic views for pilots. The aircraft measures 6.30 meters in length with a wingspan of 10.10 meters. Constructed primarily from metal, the A22 ensures durability and safety. It is powered by the reliable Rotax 912 ULS engine, delivering efficient performance with a cruise speed of approximately 100 miles per hour, while consuming around 3.5 gallons per hour. The A22 boasts impressive short takeoff and landing capabilities, requiring just 344 feet for takeoff. As of recent listings, prices for the A22 vary based on specifications and condition, with some models available for approximately $80,000. Evektor Sportstar Max. The Evektor Sportstar Max is a distinguished light sport aircraft that seamlessly blends performance with comfort. Powered by a 100 horsepower Rotax 912 ULS engine, it achieves a cruise speed of 110 knots and a stall speed of 39 knots. The aircraft measures 5.98 meters in length with a wingspan of 8.65 meters, featuring a spacious cockpit boasting a 1.18 meter shoulder width. With an empty weight of 327 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 600 kilograms, it offers a useful load of up to 290 kilograms. The fuel capacity stands at 120 liters, enabling a range of approximately 1,300 kilometers. Pricing varies based on configuration and region. For instance, a 2009 model was listed at 99,900 Australian dollars in Australia. Northwing Maverick Outlander. The Northwing Maverick Outlander is a specialized ultralight trike designed for off-airport adventures. Utilizing 7,075 aluminum tubing, the trike's frame is both lightweight and durable, allowing for the integration of large 17.5-inch tundra tires, ideal for rugged terrains. The Maverick series features a topless strut-braced wing with a 31.5-foot span, eliminating the need for a king post and reducing drag. Powered by a 40-horsepower Rotax 447 engine, it complies with US FR 103 ultralight vehicles regulations, boasting an empty weight of 252 pounds and a gross weight capacity increased from 550 to 600 pounds. 650 pounds. Pricing for the Maverick II RT trike starts at $6,400, with additional upgrades like the Outlander tires available for $375.